Ben has his own store. Do you sell eggs? Asked Mel. Yes, come in, says Ben. Do you sell milk? Asks Dante. Yes, come in, says Ben. Do you sell hats? Asks Lala. No, we do not sell hats, says Ben. But you can come in and have a look. Lala goes in and she gets a banana. And Ben's store. Ben has his own store. Do you sell eggs? Asked Mel. Yes, come in, says Ben. Do you sell milk? Asked Dante. Yes, come in, says Ben. Do you sell hats? Asked Lala. No, we do not sell hats, says Ben. But you can come in and have a look. Lala goes in and she gets a banana. Okay, so I think you're able to understand the story. And now let's move on to the comprehension check. Let us answer some questions. Okay, number 1. Who is the main character in the story? Is it A, Ben, B, Lala, or C, Mel? Is it A, Ben, B, Lala, or C, Mel? Okay, who is the main character of the story? Okay, very good. Letter A, Ben. Number 2, what does he have? What does he have? Is it A, a school, B, a store, or C, a hat? A school, a store, or a hat? Okay, very good. He has a store. 3, what is the store for? A place used for fixing things, B, a place used for selling things, or C, a place used for keeping things? Okay, very good. A place used for selling things. So the answer is letter B. Number 4, what do you think does it sell? What do you think does it sell? Is it A, Ben store sells hats, B, Ben store sells toys, or C, Ben store sells food? Okay, what's your answer? Okay, very good. Ben's store sells food. 5. Why was it important for Lala to go in and have a look? Why is it important for Lala to go in and have a look? Is it A, to find out what she can sell, B, to find out what she can buy, or C, to find out what she can keep? Okay, very good. To find out what she can buy. Number 6, which of these words best describes Ben? Which of these words best describes Ben? Is it A, helpful, B, greedy, or C, giving? Helpful, B, greedy, C, giving. Okay, very good. Ben is helpful, letter A. So that's all for this reading lesson, and I hope that you learn from today's reading tutorial. Once again, this is Teacher Yumi. Please follow me also on my FB page, Reading Materials and Video Lesson by Teacher Yumi. There you can get instructional materials, reading materials that are very essential for learning. So kindly visit my YouTube channel. You can have there reading lessons, reading CVZ words, reading tutorial, reading comprehensions, and many more. So once again, thank you and God bless.